proud to be able to cloth diaper. Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a video about cloth diapering. A lot of my family and friends have been asking me, why am I doing cloth diapering?
Isn't that gross? How do you do that? Why?
There's tons of benefits to cloth diapering.
I don't know why I didn't know about this with my first. I really wish that I would have done this with my first and even saved those diapers to use with my second. It's so easy, there's nothing difficult. It's not as scary as you think. I want to go into my nighttime routine, how I organize them. I clear out my changing table and reset it for the next day. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so this is her changing table. This is what it looks like at the end of the day. Kind of empty, kind of messy. It's her heart shelf and her crib. So these are her cloth wipes. I'm going to be loading them into the wipes warmer here and organizing this area just a bit. Up here I have her after bath toiletries. I love Earth Mama products. These all have natural oils in them. And this was actually a gift from my baby registry on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Whenever she has congestion or discomfort, I like to use this soothing chest rub. And then this Flexi pacifier from Nanobebe is awesome when I throw it in the freezer for teething. Alright, so these are her diaper caddies here above. And I have a dry erase marker here to label these labels I had laying around. Previously, I had created labels with my Dymo label maker, but I found these I got from Target. They were laying around and I love them. I forgot I had them. You can erase and change whatever you put on the labels. So I have here my daytime diapers, my nighttime diapers, inserts and wipes. And then at bottom I have her pajamas, and then to the right I have any travel items and miscellaneous items that would go in her diaper bag to the right there. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to my diaper pail. I use it as a laundry basket because I just throw all her clothes in there, including her diapers, and wash everything all together. And it's okay because they're cloth diapers. Now, when she was breastfeeding exclusively without solids, from 0 months to about 6 months is when she stopped, she started solids. The diapers wash out breast milk because it's water soluble, so you just throw them right in. Once they start with solids, that's when you want to put in an extra insert. Those inserts are going to help protect the diaper from stains, and they can wash easily. Let's quickly talk about inserts. So I'm going to have my inserts and wipes in this caddy. You have your bamboo insert, which is much softer, okay? And you can see this is very clean, and this is used several times, and this is microfiber, so you can see the difference. This one is much softer. These are biodegradable inserts. This is made out of bamboo, and this basically is like a sheet of paper, almost like a paper towel or toilet paper or napkin. You just tear that right off, and that goes, I'm going to show you, goes on the inside of the diaper right here, and that is when they start solid. So when waste falls out, what you do is simply grab the top and the bottom and carry it and throw it in the toilet and flush, and you're all done. Then this goes in the diaper pail, which is right over here, okay? Or in your wet bag if you're traveling. So that's how that works. This is flushable perfectly fine. So let's talk about this diaper pail. This is the Decor diaper pail. Now once you press the step button at the bottom, it opens up for you, and here is where you throw your clothes. And it has a lock here for when the baby's bigger, they can't open it up. Now the first thing I do for my nighttime cloth diaper routine is empty out my diaper pail. First thing first is I press this button here, and it should open up my diaper pail very easily. And I make sure I pull out my diaper pail bag and push it down. Once I push it down, there's a button here on the side from which I press press down and open up my bag. There I'll have my bag, and as I pull it out and push down, out comes my laundry bag. So I go ahead and grab this bag and push it together. Now to replace the bag, I go ahead and pull out my extra bag that I have here. And open it up. It has a drawstring. Open it up. Alright guys, so I have a charcoal filter here recommended to use with this for odor control, but I never really experienced odor, so I can't tell you if it works or not. Alright, the next thing I do is make sure there's no dirty diapers in the diaper bag. This is a Nanobebe diaper bag. I love their products. I think I bought almost the whole collection. So inside I have a Nora's Nursery wet bag. I had just come from my mom's house, so I knew that I had these in to throw in the wash. So I'm just gonna include it in her bag. In the front, I usually put wipes or if I need to separate things out, I usually do that, but I don't usually use that front bag. This Nora's Nursery bag came with their pack of 7. I love that because these bags are multi-purpose. You can use them for so many things. So I'm gonna go off to the laundry room now. All right guys, so I'm in my garage and I have my load of laundry with me, but I want to go over detergents with cloth diapers. Now, one of the highest recommended detergent to use is Tide All Original. So I found that these Tide Pods work wonders with my cloth diapers. But I'm currently using this for the family. And I did find on GroveCollaborative, which I use often for a lot of my supplies, that they do have laundry detergent for cloth diapers, which actually work very well. There's the newborn baby 0 to 4 months, which I had been using wonderfully. This works with removing breast milk, or formula, spit up, and diaper disasters. And these are gentle cleaning formula. It's safe for cloth diapers. It has chamomile, calming chamomile with essential oils, and they're naturally derived power pods without sulfates, parabens, phthalates, optical brighteners. So it's a very natural option. That she's on solids, I moved up to 5 months plus, which is formulated to remove pureed fruits and veggies, cereals, starches, dirt, and grass. So this is a little bit more for an older baby. It's worked beautifully. It also smells wonderfully. This is Dreamy Rosewood. Gentle cleaning for formula, and is also safe for cloth diapers. Again, no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, optical brighteners. Now, depending on the water you have in your home, you want to play around with the settings and see what works best for you. What works best for me is I usually use a larger load, so I would always set the settings to a load a little bit larger than what it actually is, because you want to get a lot of water in there. I usually always go for the hot setting because you want to get everything out, especially when they're in solids. You want to make sure you're sanitizing these diapers well. So you definitely want to use hot water. Use a larger setting than a larger load than what you have to make sure you get a lot of water and soap in there. The other thing is with cloth diapers, you never want to use fabric softener. That will damage the PUL treatment. So we want to remove fabric softener, remove power rinse. So we're going to turn that off. You can use permanent press or colors. If I have a lot of heavy soiled diapers, I'm going to go with heavy. If it's just mostly just wet diapers and very low soil, I'll go with regular. Basically just dump them all in there. I don't don't unbutton them here. I try to unbutton the diapers when she's getting changed. And then I just throw them all in with the bag. That's it. I'm gonna grab my cod, right? And with the hot load, there it goes, and that's pretty much all it is. I let it go for one cycle. Some people let it go for 2 cycles. It's really dirty, and I'll check them out, look at them. If they need to go again, I'll do it again. But I usually only need 1 cycle. Once it's done, I'll pull out the inserts if they haven't already come out on their own. Most of them will come out on their own. I'll remove them, and if they look like they need to go for another cycle, I'll run it through. It's really up to you, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Alright, so I filled in her Q-tip caddy, and I'm grabbing the pacifier to put it in the freezer. And now I'm just prepping her diapers for the next day while her laundry goes in the wash. So I use actually a newborn size insert on the inside of the diaper here for nighttime diapers. She's still small enough to fit in the newborn size, and I'll probably purchase the larger ones as she gets older and bigger in size. But you know, I really did love the Thirsties brand, and I still love them. The only reason why I didn't continue with them is because the color assortment wasn't really my taste, but other than that, they work amazing. I just really love the patterns with Nora's Nursery, and I like to match them up with her clothes. So this is her caddy where I'm going to organize her toiletries, her nail set, and a few of her toys so that it all is in one spot, and I pull it out when I need it. Just gonna place it right under here for now. I always move things around, as you can see, sometimes just depending on the feeling or the vibe of the day. So just once I have everything organized here and put away, I go ahead and remove her changing pad and her wipes warmers. And I get whatever disinfectant I have that's available, either microban, Clorox wipes, or anything that works. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray down the hard surfaces, her changing table, her diaper bin, a little bit of her crib, and just wipe everything down. And guys, don't think I do this every night, because I don't. I do this probably 2 to 3 times a week whenever I do her laundry and do a quick little wipe down or change her changing table sheet. So the diaper bin, you definitely want to sanitize and disinfect more often than not, because you're putting soiled linens into it. You definitely want to make sure you're keeping this clean. Alright guys, so these are my cloth wipes. I'm going to turn on the hot water so I can load them into my wipes warmer. I got these off of Amazon. I think it was a pack of 10. And this is my Dr. Bonner's Baby Unscented Castile Soap. I put a few drops with some hot water and just wring it out. And then I go ahead and fold it like this and put it into the wipes warmer. You don't need to use hot steaming water. It's just something, I don't know, it's reassuring to me that I'm making it warmer in the wipes warmer if I need to use it sooner than later and the wipes warmer hasn't completely warmed them. This just helps them to start getting warm. I usually can fit about 10 wipes in here, which is perfect for the whole day. Alright, so it's all full now. I'm just going to plug it in and turn it on with Alexa. It takes about 30 minutes to warm up, and it lasts a few hours. Echo, turn on the wipes warmer. Alright guys, so my laundry has just finished, and I'm going to open it up and give it the test. So you see some of the inserts are still inside, and this one looks pretty clean to me. Smells nice and fresh. I'm gonna just reach in, grab the insert, and it's nice and clean. Smells nice and fresh, and they're good to go. I'm gonna stick those in the dryer. So basically, this is ready to go. Now these wet bags and this bag from the laundry basket, I don't stick them in the dryer because they are coated with waterproof on the inside here. So I let those air dry. I just hang it on her crib or hang them out on the line in the backyard, hang them out wherever. That is everything. And what I do add to my dryer are drying balls. These are water absorbent, so they help to make the clothes dry faster. They also catch lint. This one has got a lot of lint on it. It's seeing the end of its days, so probably gonna have to get some more. You can get these at Marshall's, Amazon, Grove. I got them from GroveCollaborative. I don't put any dryer sheets in with cloth diapers because, again, that can ruin the coating, the waterproof coating. So with nothing, you just throw them in, dryer balls, that's it. And I just let them dry overnight. In the morning, they'll be ready for me. And I just grab them and fill in. I have enough diapers there in my stash for all afternoon. And then these will be my refill. All right, guys, so that is the end of my cloth diaper nighttime routine for Nora's Nursery Diapers. Again, if you want to know more about the benefits of cloth diapering, I would recommend you visit norasnursery.com, and they have plenty of resources and information on the benefits of cloth diapering. And that's my routine. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.